Good morning students, myself Santosh Sharma, and today we are going to start a very important topic, torque in a uniform electric field of a dipole. So basically what is the meaning of torque? Torque means rotation, turning effect means rotation, and due to a dipole. So what is dipole? A pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance. A pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance, like plus q and minus q, and separation between the two charges 2a. This is our dipole, a pair of equal and opposite charge separated by a finite distance. When this dipole minus q and plus q placed in a uniform electric field, E vector, the straight line indicates the direction of electric field, and a dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Uniform means the direction of electric field is same and magnitude also equal. Magnitude is the space or separation between these dark lines. When this dipole placed in a uniform electric field, then dipole experience a torque. Symbol of torque is tau, and basic formula: force multiplied by perpendicular distance. Force multiplied by perpendicular distance. So in electric field, the formula of force is E equals to F by Q, then F equals to Q into E. But there are two charges, plus Q and minus Q. So there are two forces, pair of forces, and this is known as couple. So F1 force is plus QE because F equals to QE, and F2 force is minus QE. This force generated by positive charge and this one due to negative charge. So there are two forces. And perpendicular distance, so BC is perpendicular distance. You also know the formula of dipole moment P equals to Q into 2A, means either charge plus Q or minus Q multiply by separation between these two charges, and direction of P is negative charge to positive charge. It means here we consider the direction of dipole moment like this, and an angle formed between electric field and electric dipole moment, and it is called theta, and separation between two charges is 2a. So BC can be calculated with help of trigonometry like sin theta. Formula of sin theta: P by H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and this one is a right triangle. What is perpendicular? BC. And what is hypotenuse? 2a. Then BC equals to 2a sin theta. this is our perpendicular distance. So formula of torque can written as, there are two forces, so we can write either force multiply by separation multiply by perpendicular distance. Either force multiply by perpendicular distance. What is either force? Plus QE or minus QE. Magnitude are same but direction is opposite. Basically this one is dipole. One force act in this direction and one force act in this direction. So dipole free to rotate, and we find out the formula of torque. So what is either force? Plus QE or minus QE. But if we calculate net force, then F net equals to F1 plus F2. What is F1? Plus QE. And what is F2? Minus QE. It means QE plus QE minus QE equal to 0. So net force on a dipole act is 0. Very important condition. F net force on a dipole is equal to 0. Now tau equals to either force multiplied by perpendicular distance. Then either force QE and perpendicular distance, this one 2a sin theta. Either force QE and perpendicular distance 2a sin theta. And here we know a formula, P equals to Q into 2a, electric dipole moment, Q into 2a. Q into 2a into E sin theta, and we place the value Q into 2a equals to P, then tau equals to PE sin theta. It's a very important result, where P is electric dipole moment, E electric field, and theta angle between electric dipole moment and electric field. So we can write in vector notation also. Vector notation. Theta, so you know A vector dot B vector equals to AB cos theta, or A cross B vector equals to AB sin theta. It means you can replace cross by sin or sin by cross. So we can write tau vector equals to P vector cross E vector. Tau vector equals to P cross E vector. Theta formed between electric field and electric dipole moment. So tau vector equals to P vector cross E vector. Here some specific conditions like theta 90. And what is sin 90? 1. Then tau equals to PE sin 90 or sin 91. So torque maximum equals to P. And when theta is 0, then sin 0 is 0, or tau equals to PE sin 0 equals to 0, it means torque becomes 0. So when P and E are parallel to each other, then torque becomes 0. But when P and E are perpendicular to each other, then torque becomes maximum. So this is our required result or formula: torque in a uniform electric field of a dipole. When a dipole is placed in electric field, then this dipole experiences a torque, turning effect, rotation. Formula of torque, and calculate these all values and find the important derivation and result of torque equals to PE sin theta. Thank you very much.